What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Okay, we're here. Um, let's look at a couple things here coming up here. Once again, this is not financial advice. I got a couple things going on here. We're gonna do a little something different today on these markets. I'm looking at gold right now. I'm looking at RTY, Russell, natural gas, indices, NQEZ, or I'm sorry, NQES. Then gold and silver, gold and silver. Okay, so it's gonna be Nasdaq, S and P's, natural gas, the Russell, and we're gonna do gold and silver. I was gonna do copper. The trade of the day was on copper. Had a nice little pullback here. We're just gonna run 15s and fives for MACDs. We're gonna keep it pretty old school right here. Um, as far as that's concerned, right here, I just want to show what I'm looking at for gold starting off today. I'd like to see gold tap into this 15-minute fair value gap. It's, BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay, we're negative on the 15s and we're negative on the fives. So if I can see a little bit of a pullback here on gold, let me get my crayon out. Uh, Crayon, hang on. Okay, let me get my crayon. That. So I like to see a little pullback right here. We may dance around right here, but which is totally fine. But then I want to see that go positive, pushing up the fives and the 15s. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at for that 15-minute inefficiency is what I was trying to show. And that's on gold. Silver, silver, maybe we can get an SMT, being in the correlated markets. Put that screen back up here. So what you're looking at right here is natural gas, and um that's going to be the Russell on the bottom, 15s, 5s, MACD's 15s, 5s on natural gas, and then we're going to do 15s, 5s. We're just going to run 15s and 5s here until I think otherwise. But um, once again, this is not financial advice, but being election year, I just kind of want to show a little bit about why I'm going to be bullish from here on out. Here on these indices on the 15s. Um, we had I'll just go on the higher time frames. Right here had a really, right here in the form of sell side liquidity. We took that out. Okay. Had a little bit of a swing low right here. Took that out right here. Okay. So we got a lot of liquidity. And once that happened, we had a bullish momentum going forward. And I think that it's time to have a little bit of a bullish session go within these indices here. Okay, what else am I looking at? What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Let's look on the 1 day. Look on the daily time frame. Yeah, took a nice dive. It may go a little bit more, it may not. You know, um, you have a volume imbalance in the form right here on the top left. You have a volume imbalance on the Nasdaq, so that's going to be something I want to look at trading up to. I just think this is kind of just sweeping down to get some liquidity. I don't really think it's nothing really to worry about. Looking okay, so this came in. Okay, volume imbalance right here, bullish momentum, close in this inefficiency here, which I just don't think that's really anything to be concerned about. I'm going to be, like I said before, I'm bullish for the indices. Uh, okay, so it's 9:30, ringing bell. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside here. But we gotta wait. We gotta wait here. I'm only going to be streaming for another half hour. I gotta do some other stuff. But on natural gas, look at this natural gas. I like natural gas right now. I like where it's at. Negatives on the 15s and the fives. The Russell, I guess. The Russell, I don't like the Russell right now. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip. I'm gonna flip charts. I'm gonna flip charts real quick, and I'm gonna put this, this up here, and this up here, and boom. I want to focus on gold and silver. I think the metals are really going to be the trade of the day. I'm really liking where gold and silver is right here. Once again, like I said, I'd like to see it come down to here and then get some bullish momentum going forward. But we gotta wait here. We gotta wait. It is 9:30. Ringing bell. Where am I at? I'm keeping an eye on these indices. Okay, your fives on the Nasdaq, and your fives on ES are negative. Damn, but mm, you're running positive on your 15s. I need to look. Maybe Nasdaq is Nasdaq. Hang on. We gotta wait. Let's wait. Like to see gold really dive down deep into that area. Otherwise, there won't be a trade happening. Plain and simple. Um, you got a tricky. Um, we gotta wait here. We gotta wait. Indices are dropping lower, which is fine. Which is fine. Let's see, we'll get that. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We're not ready. We're not ready yet. We're just going to be focusing on gold, though, as far as that's concerned. I think what this market's doing is it's trapping everybody real quick. It's trapping everybody to go short. Okay, come on, gold. Come on, buddy. Come on, gold. Fill this in. Let's get going. RTY, same thing. Same thing as what's happening with the Nasdaq here. Natural gas is a good one. Natural gas, we're gonna let that flip here, but we gotta let time carry its weight on this one. I wouldn't be too concerned about natural gas. Now keep in mind on these indices, now something we have to consider here is pop this up here, put this up right here. On this drop lower, now keep in mind, okay, everyone's gonna be panicking here and going short. Okay. On on the daily, well, okay, on the daily, keep in mind we do have this area of volume imbalance. Okay, so it's something that you got to consider. Now, could this just be, hey, we want to come down to this consequent encroachment of this wick? Sure, absolutely, it could. Absolutely, right here and right here, right there, there. So could price hypothetically come down to this consequent encroachment of the daily wick at 20,177. It A lot of moving things going on. It took out sell side right here. Okay. Could we quad okay. So it took out October 24th sell side liquidity. So let's okay, so it's showing some bullish momentum here. Um Man, your fives though. Your fives are a little bit. I like the fact that I took that out and it's showing a little bit of a move. Now, if you look under regular trading hours, you got to keep that in mind. Regular trading hours, we have a large gap right here in the form of regular trading hours. Okay, that dotted line was a void in price. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at this to get filled. Um, like I said, on the fives though is where you're having problems. Your fives are causing you trouble. Is really what's going on here. Let's go. like I said, I'm just gonna focus right here on gold. This is the only thing I'm really watching. Gold, silver's looking good. Okay, so I'm just gonna babysit that. You got on the 15s on silver. You got some sell side liquidity right here. You got some sell side liquidity here. No big deal. Oh, put this to the right. To the right. Okay, there you go. All right, so let's see if we can get this tagged here real quick on. Let's get our magnet back on. Right here. Right there. Okay. So if we can get, I tell you what I would like to see. You ready? I'd like to see silver drop down to take out this sell side liquidity. Okay. Then I'd like to see gold at the same time fill their buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. In a perfect world, that's what I'd like to see. Russell is just acting a fool. Russell's acting a fool. Russell's following the Nasdaq and ES. Natural gas. Keep an eye on natural gas though. Natural gas looks like it's going to flip here. I wouldn't. Yeah. Natural gas. Gotta wait here. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Like I said, I'm almost tempted. I'm almost tempted to go. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, boys and girls. We're gonna do a little flip here. Right here, if we can break this volume, if we can close above, I tell you what I like. I want to see a reaction real quick here on. Hang on. Close above that volume imbalance. Let's see if we get a reaction real quick off of this bullish order block. Okay, yeah, there it goes. Okay, so it took out the sell side liquidity of that. I said the date, I forgot what it was. Let's see if we have a reaction off this last down close candle right there. Let's see if we get some reaction here. Let's see if we can get some momentum coming up. On this 1 minute, let's throw a gain on this for quadrants on the game box right here. 0.5% right there, half. So it hit half. Dancing on half. Can color outside the box a little bit. 3/4. Gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Okay, it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet, which is fine. If we break new lows on NASDAQ, I'm gonna quadrant out the daily wick. Although we did take out sell side on that daily wick. A little bit of a rejection block there. $9.40 almost. Hang on. Okay, if you look over here, ES made a new low. NASDAQ made a new low. No, I'm okay. Oh shit, I forgot to go on the fives. Right here, I do not like seeing this. See this right here? See how it's perfect? See how it's perfect? I don't like to go long when I see this. I do not like to go long. I don't like to go when it's like that. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. So this is on the NASDAQ. Yeah, see how it's all perfect like that? Uh-uh. No. Uh, okay. Man, dude. Gotta wait. Gold's taking its sweet ass time. Sell side liquidity. That's I think the metals are really gonna be a good one. Okay. We're observing over here in the top left. Negatives, 15s, fives. See how it's shooting down like this on the fives? It's just going down, just down. To me, that's indicating it's saying, hey, we have to go somewhere real quick. Like real quick. We have some place to be. And I think what's happening is they wanna close in that inefficiency real quick. At the same time, it's gonna be filling in um let's see if there's gonna be a little bit of a that this low smooth, very smooth highs on the 15s on the gold. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. If you come all the way over here and you draw a horizontal line, and you draw a horizontal line where the sell side liquidity is at. My God. Uh-oh. What did I just do? Here we go. That's some bullish. That's some bullishness. Okay, here we go. Gold, tap it down a little bit more. Okay, here we go. So perfect. Okay. Silver just took that sell side liquidity. Excellent. Cool. Still waiting on natural gas. Still waiting. Natural gas took a nice little low out. That's pretty good. I know. See how it's like. So see how it's like. Hey, gold's saying to silver, "Hey, I got to get here," and silver's like, "Well, I took out my sell side liquidity." But then you got to wait though. You got to wait for the 15s and the fives, so to start showing. You know what I'm saying? So it's like we're not necessarily, oh, we're gonna buy. No, we got to wait. Okay, here it comes into my box. I'm gonna zoom in on the gold here. Let's tap into that. Let's tap into that, boys. Let's get rid of this. Come on, natural gas. Come on. All right. We took, okay, we dove dive. Okay, so see right there, we hit our box. We're waiting. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. And then we need to see an inversion fair value gap. Go, a side reversal on the fives or something like that. Man, dude, not seeing anything. Oh, I am, but not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Nothing yet. I'd like to see what NASDAQ is about to do. Really like to see what NASDAQ's about to do. We may have to go, we may have to quadrant the daily wick. Okay, here we go. Go right here. I'm gonna flip screens right here, show you guys this. Okay. So on the 1 day, okay, cool. I'm gonna quadrant this daily wick. Okay, so we came into the 75% 225s. Okay. We quadrant out. Hit that on the daily wick. That's the daily wick. Okay. Now we're starting new week opening gap too. Real old new week opening gap. I like that though. I like that it went down to that and had a rejection. Now, if we can just keep it. Now, this is a NASDAQ. We can just keep it. If we don't, that's okay. If you want to come down here, you can. Let's look at natural gas is going to be a bazooka. Just waiting on this. Saying, hey, I like this level, but I got to wait a little bit longer, which is fine. I'm going to flip out of this. Okay. You see that box? See how the bodies are respecting it right there? I like that. I like that. ES or Jesus, not ES. Silver. Okay. Okay. Let's shoot. We gotta wait though. That's what's going on here. We gotta wait, dude. I know I keep saying this at nauseum, but natural gas is going to be a good one once it flips. Babysitting everything here. Doing a lot of babysitting today. Man, look at that. Look at that 15-minute volume imbalance on ES too. You guys can observe that one. Take a look at this. Look right here at this volume imbalance where ES is. Big boy volume imbalance right there. That's actually, well, is that a void in price? That's a void in price. That's just a void. That's not even a, that's just a void. See how those wicks ain't even, yeah, that's a void. These charts are correct, and I think they are. Hell, that's a void in price. So, big boy draw on that one. Actually, I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to go this, this. I'm going to make it red so I can see it. I'm going to say right here, draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity on the ES is on the 15 stuff. Okay, so we're coming into 9/24s of new week's opening gap. Taking a look here. Keep in mind 20,176. If I zoom in right there is going to be your consequent encroachment of that daily wick right there. So right here. Okay. I want to be observant of that. I want to be observant of that. Okay, right there. See how it touches it? See how it's dancing, dancing, dancing? Dancing, dancing, dancing. Right there. See that? How we had a reaction off of that? So that's tipping its hand saying that might be all we need. That might be all we need here. Gotta wait though. You gotta wait. That's the problem. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Now, obviously, I'm not going to take a long here at this consequent encroachment. I'm not. I need to see. I need to see a reaction. We're not going to get the reaction. That's okay. We're not. We're not trying to predict lows or anything like that. But we are going to be scaling things and seeing where we're going to be at. Okay. It's okay. Let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the weekly here. Gotta wait. Market's been crazy. The reason the market's been nuts, in my opinion, is because you're okay. Your fives and your 15s. Here, I'm gonna do something real quick. Let's get corn. I don't know if I want to do this. Let's do that. I really like to see corn start going though. I'd really like to see bullish corn. Come on, corn. You got it, buddy. Let's start seeing some momentum coming up here, bud. Rejection block here. Gotta be careful with corn though, dude. You want to talk about levels. Oh my. I want to see a big bump today. But wait, where's my box at? What did it do? Just erase it? Man, dude, I just hate that. I hate when it does that. Trading view charts would never do that, but whatever, doesn't matter. Um, being election year with these markets dropping is very interesting historically speaking. I'd like to see this 15s on this by Bissy and by Sam Balances I Fishy. I want to see that I don't want to see that close below it. Very, very interesting. Wait. Natural gas. That's all I'm looking at as far as that goes. Silver and gold is going to be looking like a pretty one when it wants to start get going. Almost half tempted to say it's going to take out the but dropping another 70 points to take out the weekly sell side liquidity. Yes. Well, what time is it? 8:55. 8:55. You're going to have to really wait. I don't like when MACDs are below the pivot and you're going negatives. That's why it's hard to, you just can't do anything with it. Russell's doing the same thing that the Nasdaq and the ESs are doing. Like I said, man, being election year. Let's see here. No, man, I'm not seeing anything right now. I am, but I'm seeing I'm let's look at corn again for my farmer buddies. Yeah, it's still kind of hanging out. Still kind of hanging out. Two minutes. I like to see some bullish momentum here on gold. This next 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq's looking like it's got a little bullish momentum coming up here. Um, I'm not bearish on the. I'm just not. I don't think historically speaking that we would ever want to. We I mean, being election nearby, my God. Um, not seeing anything yet, man. I'm just not seeing anything yet. Today has been a babysit type of day, man. Just a babysitting type of day. Uh, no, I don't, no. Okay, well, yep, nothing today. I want to see some bullish momentum here in gold. If you don't get it, then we're just going to close this out. Uh, a slight. No, I'm not going to say SMT. Russell's moving. Russ, come on. Gotta wait, man. Gotta wait. This is just a market where you gotta wait. Negatives. Mm-mm. No. You close that 15-minute inefficiency right there. Nothing. Come on. Yeah, this isn't doing this low. I mean, you know, something to be said here on this on regular trading hours, you know, you got a big gap right here, and you got some smooth sailing right here. So, I mean, don't get tricked up just yet. Don't get tripped up just yet. All right. This is gold though. This is silver and gold. So I'm just looking at this. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah. All right. That's all it's going to be on the stream today, guys. Be careful. I think it's non-farm payroll week, so just want to say thank you guys for hopping in, and I will tune in